There is nothing worse than going to freeze overripe bananas to use in recipes only to pull them out later and they're all stuck together. Today I'm breaking down my tips for how to freeze bananas perfectly so they don't stick together and you can use them in any recipes that you need bananas. First thing you need to do is take a pan. I'm using a rimmed baking sheet. You want to make sure this pan fits inside your freezer. The next thing you want to do is line your pan with either parchment paper or wax paper. I want you to think about something. Are you going to be using these bananas in smoothies? So you would want to have chunks for your frozen bananas so that they break down easily in your blender. Or are you going to be using your bananas for recipes that call for 2 bananas, 1 banana, and therefore you may want to freeze whole bananas. If you're like me, you need a mixture of both. So what I do is I peel my bananas and break them into about 1-inch chunks and place them onto my prepared pan. Then I also peel some whole bananas and place those right on the pan. Once our bananas are on our pan, we're gonna pop this into the freezer for about an hour. You can certainly leave it overnight. We want our bananas to freeze solidly. Once your bananas have frozen solid, you want to remove them from your freezer, and then you want to get a freezer safe bag, and you want to label bananas so that you know exactly what's in there, and you can also put the date so that you don't want to keep frozen fruit for more than 3 months for best flavor and texture. And then open up your bag, place your frozen chunks of banana right into the bag. They're frozen solid, so they're not soft and they're not going to stick together. I usually have a bag for my banana chunks and then a separate bag for my whole bananas. And then you want to just gently push out all the air and pop them back into your freezer and pull them out as needed. You can use the chunks for things like smoothies or the whole bananas. You can pop in the microwave for 30 seconds to a minute and then mash up. You can use for things like banana bread and banana pancakes, which you can click the next video and I'll show you how to make right now.